Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this very easy and delicious lemongrass chicken skewers. We are going to make this in the oven. We are going to just grill it in the oven. But if you want to use the regular grill, outdoor grill, you can definitely do that. To start off here, I have 10 to 12 green onions. I'm going to just cut them roughly, the white parts only. And then I have 2 garlic cloves. If you have small, then use 4 garlic cloves, and then just roughly chop it. 2 tablespoons Thai basil, or if you don't have Thai basil, you can use regular basil. 1 stick or small stick of lemongrass that is cut into half. So I'm just gonna bruise it back of my knife and just chop them into small pieces. The reason we are just chopping them, we're gonna put them in a food processor so that it blends evenly. Now transfer into a food processor or a blender. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon brown sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika or a chili, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now here I have 2 tablespoons soy sauce or a tamari. Go ahead and add them, and to this I'm adding 1/8 of a teaspoon pepper. You can add more or less depending on the taste. Make into a paste. Now when you make a paste, you don't want it to be fine paste. Make it into a chunky kind of paste, coarse paste, and then once that is done, I'm going to set it aside. And here I have 1 pound of chicken thighs. You can use breast if you like. I like the thighs because it's more of juicy and softer. And I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces, and now go to add the paste to it. Go ahead and add the paste and combine them well until it's nicely coated. Now go ahead and marinate them overnight, or at least 2 hours if you want to get that good flavor. While that is marinating, go ahead and add the skewers, wooden skewers, in the water and soak it for over 2 hours or so. And now remove the chicken at least 30 minutes prior cooking the chicken so that it remains nice and juicy. Now go ahead and put in the skewers, and now oil the rack so that way when we place the chicken, it doesn't stick to it when we want to turn it. Now broil it for 4 minutes. Now the broiler is on a high heat, so broil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Here I have 1 tablespoon honey, and then to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. Now go ahead and mix it well. And now this is the basting that we are going to use. Now remove the chicken and just go ahead and brush the basting that we had, and generously just turn it and do that again with the basting that you have. Just apply generously. Now go ahead and again broil it another 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked through, and then you have this nice charred flavor. If you want to grill it, you can definitely do that. And once it is done, you can just serve this with pineapple or just as it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.